In a land of green and skies so blue, where dairy cows graze and dreams come true, a dairy farm, a place so sweet, with mooing cows and rhythmical feet. On the rolling hills where the sun does gleam, a dairy farm emerges like a childhood dream, 'cause with spots and patches of white gather 'neath the sun's soft light. They munch on grass so lush and cream, their coats a glossy silky sheen. In the barn where shadows play, cows await the break of day. A farmer kind with a gentle heart tends to each cow, playing his part, milking pails and buckets in tow, a rhythm of chores, a daily flow. The dairy dance begins anew, milk splashing into buckets, a familiar view, creamy goodness, a liquid gold, stories of the farm, ageless tales. Beneath the shade of air, mighty oak cows find respite, and the farmer spoke of days gone by and seasons turned in the quiet barn, lessons learned in the farmyard where daisies grow, a symphony of farm life, a joyful sound echoing through the fields all around. As the sun sets, casting hues of red, the dairy farm rests, cows in the shed, a lullaby of crickets.